Hello, friends. So today I have done some cleaning, and I don't know, maybe I need to learn the chiffon. I think that's how it is pronounced, to clean the gravels in between, because when I started to clean, I ended up messing the whole. Lots of mess were there and I couldn't do it well, so and eventually I ended up like, okay, let's change the water and fix the plants. You see, like, I did lots of trimming with the roots, and here also this one is pretty clean now. I almost removed all the roots, not all, but yeah, almost, like those which were on the top. So I did the trimming and also fixed the plants pretty well. Also kind of chopped off the dead leaves and the stems, which were pretty much getting yellow, so you can see that one. It's pretty clean now. And well, interestingly, I had lost a track of the new leaf that was growing, so this is the one which is pretty much grown up now. So yeah, so, and also I just restructured, I replaced, moved some of the decors here and there. Not much change though, but you can see now I still have lots of air bubbles stuck in the roots of the floating plants. I guess it will go off by tomorrow or so, in a day or two. But mostly I still have some cloudiness in my aquarium. You can see the colors are not the brightest one right now. The fishes, they're not looking that bright. But sooner, maybe in a day, by tomorrow morning, it might be pretty transparent, pretty clean, and the water would be pretty. I also cleaned my filter. I guess it was okay. I don't know, I mean, like, I have read somewhere that you should not disturb too much the bacteria that are been growing in the gravels and filter at the same time. Pretty much you're disturbing the ecosystem, but I realized it after I did it. So we'll see. I think it will build up again, and my fishes should be doing fine. I can see my catfish has been pretty active now. I guess he started finding more food to clean up. Yeah, so overall I'm happy with my cleaning. I'm just a bit concerned that if everything will go well in few days, but that is something I need to wait and see. But overall I kind of like the cleanup. The leaves are pretty cleaned up and sunken to the water. Before the floating plants were stuck in some of the leaves. I'm thinking to probably chop off this big leaf. Not very sure right now, but it's kind of, you can see that it's been ruined, kind of. It's still alive, but the half of the leaves are pretty dead. And it's in the front, spoiling half of the view, so I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I will just clip that off. But for now I just leave it like that. So that's up for this short video. You can see that just planing up, being active again. They were all like, when I was changing the water, like 1/3 of the water I had, and everybody was in a one colony instead of two different separate colonies. They were like one colony, all at one place, like wondering what the hell is going on. Wow, this video, they're super fast. It's just like you can see the trails when they're moving. Or maybe, I don't know if it's a problem in the video. It's pretty interesting when they're moving. Cool, yes. So that's up for tonight. I will go and take some rest now. I spent like 1.5 hours in this, with all the cleanup and everything. So good night, guys, and take care. And we see you next time. Bye bye.